guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Becky and this is my mum Wendy. So I do like beauty, makeup, lifestyle and plus size fashion videos. If that's your kind of thing, please subscribe. We've got plenty more coming. Please like and please comment as well what you think of these masks that we got from Boohoo. So we're both lipstickless today because we are going to try on these Boohoo fashion face masks. So I'm going to pass this to my mum so she can do the grand opening.
Oh gosh, I haven't got my glasses on, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, hang on a moment.
There you go.
It's coming undone.
You've got it.
Yeah, it's a nice bag from Boohoo,
It is a nice bag. But Pretty Little Things have unicorns.
Oh,
unicorns on. So.
Right. I get them out. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, there we go. Hey.
Ooh, wow.
Hang on a moment. They're on the floor as well.
Okay.
We ordered quite a few. We were really sport for choice.
Yeah, so we bought these. Wow, there's loads. Here are all the masks that we've just pulled out of the bag. So how many have we got here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
8.
So we've got 4 masks each to try on. Yeah, so these were only £3.75 on the website because there was this like payday weekend deal where everything was 25% off. So we picked up quite a few because they're just better than the disposable ones at the end of the day. If we're going to have to start wearing them.
I think disposable ones are really expensive. Our local pharmacy, they are £5 each, and you're supposed
£5
to
each
Yes.
for disposable.
Yes.
Oh.
I couldn't believe it. I thought, I'm not going to do that. So I bought some, but I didn't buy the big offer that they had, which was, I don't know, 10 for £45.
10 £45.
Oh no, I'm not doing that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll try some of these on now. Okay. Here we go. Here's our masks. Ta-da!
Can you tell we're smiling?
So yeah, they've only got one layer though. I thought they were going to have more layers.
I thought they said 3 layers.
Yeah, that's what the government says that you should have. So I don't actually know if these are government recommended, but they're cute.
Feels quite comfy.
Yeah, they are really comfy. Oh, they're quite big as well.
But in a way they've got to be big, haven't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, I think they're quite comfortable, and I feel they're not
They're breathable.
yes, they're not too claustrophobic. I quite like that, really.
Yeah, and they're only £3.75 and they're
Yeah,
washable.
that's a good price, isn't it? And you could, I guess you could wear one to match, well, kind of match your outfit.
Have you got a blue camo outfit you're going to wear with that, Mum?
I might not have a blue camo outfit, but I might have something that's a bit blue tone. So if I was wearing a denim top or something, it would look quite nice.
Yeah.
I think.
Well, this one's good if you just want like a basic colour, like khaki. And they had like black and purple, lots of different just plain colours as well.
What do you think of mine then?
Yeah, I like that. That's nice.
Yeah, I think it's nice. It's a bit zazzy. So when you go to the supermarket, somebody will say, "Hey, I really, really like your face mask. Where did you get it from?"
Boohoo.com.
Yeah, Boohoo.com. Give them the price, etc., etc. I'd like somebody in, say, Tesco's or Morrison's or your local supermarket to actually be wearing one of these. Wouldn't it be great? Or maybe the supermarkets need to start doing their own branded face masks. Yeah, I feel like I want to have a little thing over here saying, "Hello." I just wanted, on this one, I wanted something a little bit pink, a little bit feminine. And there's lots of butterflies around at the moment, so I just thought this would be really nice.
Yeah, and I wanted a black one, but not completely black, so I got ones with little stars on.
Yeah.
But
A really good price, I think, really.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know if they 100% go with government guidelines, because they aren't free.
3 layers, but they're pretty thick. They've got...
But I think, to be honest, anything's better than nothing.
Yes, I think so
at
too.
the moment. So yeah, this was just going to be a fun little video just to kind of review them. I think if you're placing an order, just adding one in wouldn't hurt. I wouldn't go out and spend the shipping just to get one, but I've just got Boohoo Premier delivery, so it didn't cost anything to get them shipped here. And we just got a couple each just so we can wash them when we go out. We can just pop them in the wash and look cute and stylish and have ones that fit different outfits. So yeah, I think this is a bit of fun, really. If you're gonna...
I think, and if you're out there, people might actually say to you, "Oh, I really like your mask. Where'd you get that from?" Or "That's a pretty mask." Or I don't know. It's a bit.
Just a bit of fun, really.
Yeah, friendly feel.
Yeah, because otherwise, like, it's pretty depressing.
We don't want to be depressed, do we?
No.
We want to be happy.
All right then, guys. This is just a fun little silly video, so yeah, stick around for next one. We've got some hauls coming up and stuff like that, so catch you later. Bye.
Bye.